Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Miss Jamaica World 2018 Grand Coronation Spectacular will take place tomorrow at the ballroom of the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Headlining the glamorous Blitz affair will be the crooner Short Boss, who is known for his specialization in lovers rock-style ballads and his captivating stage performances. Beauty, glitz and glamour will be at the forefront as the 16 finalists compete to carry home the coveted crown. Staged under the theme Beauty with a Purpose, contestants are also judged on their ability to maintain their duty to service. This year saw changes to the competition as the swimsuit category was eliminated. As an alternative, contestants competed in the Miss Jamaica World Fast Track events in the categories of fitness, model, talent, beach beauty and beauty with a purpose. This year will also see the introduction of the Golden Scissors Award to be presented to the local designer deemed to have created the best gown on Coronation Night. Crown of Beauty director Dayla Harris outlined what patrons can expect at the Grand Coronation show.
We've dubbed it the Grand Coronation Spectacular because I think one of the things that we've been hearing from people is entertainment. We want to see the ladies, but we want them to be presented in a way that's exciting. We want to sit down and be engaged by the show. And that's Western has really been working on making sure that this happens. And look out for it. It's going to be an amazing show, September 1. At the Jamaica Pegasus.
The Miss Jamaica World 2018 Red Carpet and Grand Coronation show will be aired exclusively on RETV. Premium beer brand Heineken celebrated International Bowtie Day in style. The fashion-forward event held at ATL's Audi Terminal in Oxford Road in St. Andrew recently celebrated the elegant accessory popularly worn by men at formal occasions. Hosted by Terry Carell Reid, the event was well attended by stylish and elegant patrons who were out sporting their fashionable bow ties. E-Prime spoke with Heineken's brand manager Jody Hilton, shared why Heineken opted to celebrate International Bowtie Day.
Heineken consumers are always the most fashionable people in the room, so we really just wanted another occasion to celebrate their love of fashion and to really enjoy our product responsibly. We've been having Heineken Bowtie Day in Jamaica. This is our third staging, and we just had to do it this year again because it did so well last year.
Heineken made the most of International Bowtie Day, using the platform to celebrate with beer drinkers who appreciate the finer things in life. Now to news overseas. The Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin, was laid to rest today at a funeral service in her hometown of Detroit. The iconic singer died earlier this month of pancreatic cancer at age 76. Family, friends and well-wishers came to pay their respects, including Bill and Hillary Clinton, the Reverend Jesse Jackson, Smokey Robinson, Clive Davis and Whoopi Goldberg. Many of the biggest names in music paid musical tributes, including Yolanda Adams, Shaka Khan, Faith Hill, Stevie Wonder, Ariana Grande and Jennifer Hudson. Today's funeral service follows several days of tributes, including a public viewing at the Charles H. Wright Museum of African American History. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.